Hello and welcome. You know that my channel is about wellness, but I also really enjoy using red light therapy at home, and I strongly recommend you try if you've never done it before. And if you ever thought about getting red light therapy, like for instance to do some light therapy for your skin, sometimes called anti-aging, or perhaps do some therapy on your achy muscles and joints, and you were thinking, maybe I will try this, I tell you something, now it's probably the best time to do it, because with what's going on in the world, soon the supply chain may be broken or totally destroyed. The components may be not available. Bear in mind that most of therapeutic equipment now is made in China, so it means in Far East. And if anything goes wrong in the world, there will be definitely some issues with transporting all this equipment to Europe, to America, and to your country. So if you intend to use red light therapy or try to use red light therapy for your specific problems, then now is the best time to invest in it. And remember, you've got usually with good companies like Mito, Platinum, LightpathLED, you've got 60-day trials period, so you can test the light, check if it works for you, if you got the results you expect, and if after 2 months you are happy, then of course keep it and use it for many years of enjoyable and effective red light therapy at home. But if it doesn't work for you, because nothing works for everyone, then of course you can return the product and get your money back. I think it's a very fair deal, and in my opinion, now is the very last moment when you can actually buy products in still reasonable prices, and you can still get it within a reasonable timeline, like for instance a week or two, because if something happens in the world and all the clouds in the sky demonstrate that probably it will, then the supply chain will be broken or totally destroyed. There will be no components, and surely the prices will be much higher than today. So if you ever considered using red light therapy, now is the best time to invest in it before it's too late, before the prices are too high or the products are totally not available because of the supply chain issues. And it applies to all sorts of equipment, small therapy panels like this, large panels, light belts, light helmets, whatever is needed for your specific therapeutic needs. It's probably much better to order it now than wait in a couple months, or maybe even wait for Christmas if you would like to buy yourself for Christmas gift. It may be not available this Christmas. I strongly recommend, if you think about red light therapy at home, consider getting it rather sooner than later, because you still benefit from the low prices, the current prices, and still a reasonable fulfillment time, like a week or two before you get your equipment directly delivered to your home. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you will enjoy and benefit from red light therapy at home. Thank you very much for watching.